Guys, right now I have a massive update. If you are holding cryptocurrencies, if you are holding Shiba Inu, if you are holding Dogecoin, Ethereum, and many cryptos, you need to watch this video because right now Shiba Inu, actually, if we zoom into this price, what we can see is Shiba Inu is actually flipping bullish yet again. We are recovering very strong. We are breaking out of this triangle pattern, which means we could see another massive pump in the next couple of hours, this day, this weekend. It is setting up for a massive run. Dogecoin also hitting 34 cents. I believe the pump will start to come back again for Dogecoin. Not only that, we had Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum just broke all-time highs. There are crazy things happening right now. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays way before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, my hidden updates into the market when things are flipping bearish, when things are about to explode, make sure you join my Patreon right now for only $10 a month by clicking the link in my video description. In my Patreon, I have different tiers, different memberships where you can get access to my financial services to help you make money. I highly recommend signing up for a consultation so that we can go over your portfolio on the phone. I can say, hey, you should move this around and that around so you can make the most money in this bull run. And if you love cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button and blow up the comment section. Let me know your top 3 cryptocurrencies in your portfolio right now. If you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu, Cardano, Dogecoin, use my WEBULL link in my video description below right now for a limited time. If you sign up and deposit $1 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. So let's first start off with the charts just a little bit to see what's going on. So what we are seeing is Bitcoin is actually recovering very, very good. And this is a good thing to see. Bitcoin is starting to recover, and not only that, Bitcoin is slowly moving up while the altcoins are pumping. So this is a very interesting thing to see, which means that the Bitcoin dominance has actually gone down quite a bit. And when the Bitcoin dominance is low, as I have been telling you, the altcoins pump and they start to go crazy. So the Bitcoin dominance may bounce up here soon, but while the Bitcoin dominance is at 44% right now, that means the altcoins are gonna start making some big moves until the Bitcoin dominance goes up. And we just saw Ethereum breaking all-time highs. Look, we are just about all-time highs at this very second, about to make some massive moves. We are headed to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 for Ethereum in a very short period of time. And then we're gonna get into Shiba Inu. We're gonna be looking at Dogecoin in just a moment. But before we do, we have to cover to see what's going on in the news. So what we are seeing is, okay, Ethereum reaches the record high of over $4.4 thousand per single coin. Remember, Ethereum last year was $100, like $100 and change. Absolutely crazy. But here's the tie to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is actually an Ethereum token on the Ethereum blockchain. And the more people that buy and trade Shiba Inu actually cause more Ethereum to burn, which makes Ethereum hyperdeflationary, which pushes up the price and the value of Ethereum because it reduces the total supply of Ethereum. So Shiba Inu right now has a very close tie to Ethereum, which is a very, very awesome thing to see, that even Shiba Inu, the hype of Shiba Inu and other coins and NFTs and things like that are the main cause to be pushing the price of Ethereum up like crazy. And that is how we will potentially see Ethereum by the end of the year, $10,000 to $12,000. My price target for Ethereum is going to be in the $10,000 to $12,000 price target towards the end of the year, beginning of next year. And some analysts are saying that Ethereum could be worth $40,000 by next year. What do you guys think about that? And looking at this coin market cap, where we take a look at cryptos, we see which ones are performing what. So what we have right now is Shiba Inu is outperforming Dogecoin in the top 10 spot, being $40 billion total market cap, and Dogecoin only being 37 billion, nearly 38. So Shiba Inu and Dogecoin right now are very, very closely tied in market cap. But what we are seeing in the top 10 right now is, look at this. Binance Coin, BNB, is actually taking off. It's quite doing well. But look at this as well. Ethereum up 6% in the last 24 hours. It's good to see crypto starting to go green again. And this means that cryptos are going to be setting up for a massive run here very, very soon. So we do not want to miss out. Bitcoin is up nearly 2%. We go to Cardano. Cardano is sitting at $2. It's really trading sideways. It's kind of in a bearish market. But that means whenever you see a good crypto project, when it's kind of bearish, when it's very slow, when it's very boring, it is at those moments Not long after that, that's when they really start to take off. Look at Dogecoin. Everyone thought it was gonna die, it was over with, and then boom, out of nowhere, up 50%. So the coins that you think are dead and they're good projects, especially in the top 10, top 20, those are the ones that really, really take off. And let me briefly, before we get into Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, before we talk about them, let me briefly just tell you about iTrust Capital. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free in a crypto retirement account where you can just trade all day long, day trade cryptos without incurring any taxes, use my iTrust Capital link in my top pinned comment or in my video's description, where they use actually Coinbase. They use basically Coinbase to make all of the transactions, all of the trades that you have on their account, which you have 24/7 liquidity. The cool thing about this is, especially if you plan on holding cryptocurrencies long term and not pulling out, you can be trading these cryptocurrencies and getting away with all of the taxes. Now, it is a crypto retirement account, which means if you pull out early, you will have a penalty. But if you trade for 3 years, even if you're young, just like me, if you trade for 3 years, you pull out, yes, you get a penalty, but then you don't incur all of the taxes of the last several years that you were trading. So definitely check it out, and you get a month free if you sign up with my link. All right, so let's go ahead and get back to the good stuff. The first thing we're going to be taking a look at is Dogecoin. All right, so Dogecoin right now, we'll go ahead and get to the 30-minute time frame. Dogecoin right now is starting to bounce up, and the very good thing is that we look at Bitcoin, we look at Ethereum, we look at Shiba Inu. These cryptocurrencies are starting to make some big moves. Now that these cryptocurrencies are starting to recover, we're starting to see a lot of green. It's looking like Dogecoin may consolidate around this 30-cent range. We could be consolidating, meaning trading sideways for quite some time for Dogecoin. But what I am expecting, especially after that short squeeze that we had yesterday for Dogecoin, that massive pump for Dogecoin, is that Dogecoin is setting up like to have Shiba Inu like pumps. Remember, we take a look at Shiba Inu. If I go ahead and take out this chart, but what we basically have been seeing with Shiba Inu, it pumps up and then it consolidates. It goes up and then trades sideways, goes up, comes down a little bit, trades sideways, and then goes up. So it's looking like Dogecoin may be setting up for its next bull run. Yes, I believe that Dogecoin very, very soon, at some point in this bull market, and I want you to let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I believe that Dogecoin is setting up to have another massive, crazy bull run, pushing above all-time highs, pushing above $1, pushing above $2, especially if Bitcoin hits $150,000, $200,000 in December. Ethereum is hitting $10,000, $12,000 per coin. You best believe that Dogecoin will be popping off, especially with a lot of good things happening behind the scenes for Dogecoin that will be released into the public to cause the hype to come back. But let me tell you this, the reason why a lot of these coins pump up like crazy, like we had Dogecoin, is hype. A lot of it is due to hype by the retail investors, especially these smaller coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Now, the thing about it is this hype can last many, many months. It can last just a week, can last a day, but I believe that the hype will come back to Dogecoin, that the FOMO and the excitement will all come back to Dogecoin. That's kind of being focused on other areas. A lot of the retail investors like me and you, some of us, we had potentially lost a lot of money. People were buying in the top of Dogecoin. You know, people were making all type of terrible financial mistakes when Dogecoin was pumping, trying to chase the run-ups. So a lot of those people, you know, they're still holding their bags, buying at 74 cents or 70 cents. It's taken away their confidence out of the market. But when these cryptocurrencies start to go crazy again, the same people that lost their confidence, they will be coming back, and that's when the hype will get crazy. And especially when Bitcoin dominance starts to lower and the altcoin season starts to pump, then these altcoins will probably see crazy gains that we've never seen before. So overall, I am not selling Dogecoin. I think that this is a buy the dip opportunity in my opinion, and a good long-term investment, especially a good swing trade for the next several months. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below. But remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just my own opinion. So Ethereum breaking all-time highs. All right. Ethereum breaking all-time highs means something very, very good for us. And look at this, Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, or actually the daily time frame, excuse me. We've actually spoke about this for weeks. It's forming a cup and handle. Look at this. We have the cup, the handle. Now we are breaking out, which means if Ethereum continues to break out of this pattern, we could see crazy gains, which we want to measure. We could see $7,000. We could see $7,000 for Ethereum this current breakout, what we are seeing right now. So things are about to get really, really crazy for Ethereum. And a lot of us in the Patreon, we were even able to buy Ethereum at $1,700 many, many times. So we are up hundreds of percents for Ethereum in just the last couple of months. Congratulations if you bought those dips in the Patreon. Now Bitcoin, look at this. Bitcoin is forming the same exact thing. Look, that cup, We could have the cup here and the candle here. I don't want to get too technical and too pretty, but this is the breakout here. This is the breakout, which means that Bitcoin, the next move for Bitcoin, could be potentially close to $90,000. Yes, this next run could be taking us close to $100,000. That says $90,000. Based on the technicals of this pattern, if we want to get super technical with this thing, I'll draw the cup here to make it look pretty for everyone else. This could push us close to $90,000, and depending on the situation, it can give us even much higher than that. So Bitcoin is setting up for a very big run. And when Bitcoin is setting up massively, that means that there's very, very bullish sentiment in the market, because a lot of people, especially the people that are really pushing the prices of cryptos up, which are the whales, the institutions primarily, are the ones pushing up cryptos up, especially Bitcoin and the bigger coins. When they see these bullish patterns, they all trade on technical analysis. And when they see these bullish patterns, they're like, oh my gosh, this is the time to buy. These charts look amazing, absolutely bullish, and they are super, super excited. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin setting up. And now let's talk about your favorite. Some of you guys, this is your favorite cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu. Now Shiba Inu, just like I said in the beginning of the video, formed this descending triangle pattern, and this can be a very, very bullish thing. We ended up recovering very, very good last night, and it's a great thing to see. Now I thought Shiba Inu, that may have been the top, but by the way this thing is setting up, I do not think that Shiba Inu is over with. I do not think that the run is over with. That Shiba Inu will have many, many more pumps to come. That's just my opinion. I don't know if you agree with me, but it is setting up crazy. Not only is it setting up crazy on the charts, not only is there hype, but there's a real value with this project. They're bringing real value with NFTs, and they're burning. They're doing a whole bunch of things to make this cryptocurrency project successful. So that is called the fundamentals. The fundamentals are looking good. The technicals are looking good. The community is looking good. The internet, everything. This thing is hyped up like crazy. Everyone, everywhere you go, is talking about Shiba Inu right now. So based on all of this information, I believe that Shiba Inu, just my opinion, like I'm asserting over and over again, will probably make another massive run and continue this run. You know, we haven't stopped this run at all. We're taking a breather. Whenever something pumps up really hard and really fast, it's got to come down. It's got to take a breather, allowing people to come back in to buy the dip, and then it brings it up even higher. So it's good to have little corrections. It's good to have little drops to keep things even, to even things out. And this thing, I believe, in my opinion, is setting up for a massive run. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you buying this dip? Did you buy the dip? Are you bullish on Shiba Inu right now? So if you got something out of this video, make sure you smash up the like button, blow up the comment section, and I will see you all later.